This video is going to go over what is an annotated bibliography. An annotated bibliography is basically an expanded reference list, but let me go into details. So the first thing you need to understand is that there is a difference between an abstract and an annotation. An abstract is a descriptive summary, so it's going to tell you what's found in the article. Typically, you're going to find it in the database as the very first paragraph. It's the paragraph that sort of stands out above the text when you're looking at an article. That's the abstract. It's going to tell you why they did it, what they found, and so it's going to give you that very basic information. An annotation, however, is a critical review of the article. So it's a descriptive critical review. It's going to give you information that is going to be more useful to you if you're a researcher and let's say you're doing a research topic, but you don't have time to write it right now and you have to put it off until, December. And so you find all your sources, you read all your sources, and you write an annotation to tell yourself what this is going to do for you later, what information you're going to find in this one and how that's going to work for you and how it compares to other things that you're finding. So that's the difference between an abstract and an annotation. So the annotated bibliography is a bibliography, which is a list of citations, books, articles, documents, anything that you're finding, and then each citation underneath it has a paragraph, which is the evaluative paragraph, which is the annotation. So the annotated bibliography is a combination of a reference list with paragraphs underneath each citation telling you what's found in that information. So the purpose of an annotated bibliography is to inform the reader, i.e. you, the relevance, accuracy, and quality of the sources. It's telling you what the quality was. The reason you do an annotated bibliography for a professor, for someone, if you're not doing it for yourself, is to demonstrate that you've been able to critically read and evaluate the applicability of the sources to your topic. And so that's why a professor would ask you to do one of those. There are two basic types. There's the analytical critical annotated bibliography, which summarizes the material and then analyzes the material. So it analyzes it for strengths and weaknesses in the information that's presented in it. You already did this. This is the CRAP assignment that you just got done doing. So the CRAP assignment is a type of annotated bibliography. It's the critical annotated bibliography. What you're going to do for your final assignment is the descriptive annotated bibliography. So the descriptive annotated bibliography goes into more of why you would use the source, not how good the source was. And so it's going to describe the main points and then give you some information about what's found in the article, but then also how that article relates to the other sources that you have. And so that's going to be the descriptive or informative annotated bibliography. So for your particular annotated bibliography assignment, I went ahead and put a video together on that one. So go make sure you watch that. But basically, this is what I want you to build for me. Give me each citation. You've already done that in the citation assignment. And then in your annotations, you're going to have 3 sentences max. A summary sentence, which you've already created from your CRAP assignment, how the source fits into your paper, which is your relevant statement from your CRAP assignment, and then the new sentence that you need to create for me is how the source compares to another source that you've gathered. So of the 5 sources, how does that source compare to another source? And that's the 3rd sentence that you'll put in underneath the annotation. And then you still have to write a synthesis paragraph. Your synthesis paragraph will come above your annotations. So writing your synthesis paragraph, go look in Module 5 under synthesis. There is synthesizing literature. She does a very good explanation on how to do that. And so you're taking multiple sources, you're synthesizing information together. For this paragraph, I don't just want synthesizing sentences. I want a combination of paraphrasing, synthesizing, creating your own content. And so I want a nice paragraph that's cohesive and can answer your question.